Today in this video we will see how to make the cappuccino coffee at home. It is very easy to make at home with the available kitchen ingredients. So let's see how to make it. First of all, take a bowl, add 1 tablespoon of coffee powder, then add 2 tablespoons of sugar and mix it well. Now add 3 tablespoons of water in it. And mix it with the help of the hand whisker. After mixing it with the help of the hand whisker, use an electric beater to beat the mixture. Beat the mixture at a low speed. Continuously beat the mixture till it becomes frothy and creamy in texture. As you will beat the mixture, it will become frothy and airy, and its volume will also increase. You can store this coffee paste in an airtight container for 6 to 7 days and use it for further use. So our coffee paste is ready now. You can see the creamy texture of the coffee paste. Now take a cup and add around 2 tablespoons of coffee paste in it. Then add 1 cup of boiled milk in it. Now mix it very gently with the help of the back of a spoon so that the frothy texture comes on the top. So our homemade cappuccino coffee is ready to serve. You can sprinkle some cocoa powder on it. Hope you all like this video. If you like this video, then share it with your family and friends. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. So see you all in the next video. Till then, bye bye.